In this one, we're making pumpkin spice pancakes. To measure everything, I am using what's called a quart container. I measure out 2 cups of flour, toss that in, then about 3/4 cup of half and half. I use half and half because it has more fat. It's a lot better. Fat is good. And then I do about 3 tablespoons of baking powder. The baking powder is what helps it fluff. That's very important. Then the maple sugar, about 2 tablespoons of that. And then I do 2 eggs. 2 eggs because I do 1 egg per cup of flour. Now I'm whisking this in the pint container and not a bowl because I want it to remain lumpy. If I overmix it, it's gonna be cakey and it won't be as fluffy. So make sure to keep those lumps in there. The lumps are good. I'm using a flat top today. If you don't have a flat top, you can use a skillet like this. I started off with some nonstick spray, wiped it off with a towel so I don't have that excess oil. You can also use rice oil. Rice oil works great as well, or any kind of neutral oil. And then onto the batter. As you can see, it's nice, beautiful, lumpy batter with my trusty, handy Bruce Lee spoon. So the way I know that they're done is when all the bubbles pop or all the eyes pop, as I was taught by my mom. And then I used a fish spatula like this, or you can use any sort of flat metal spatula. Instead of starting like this, I like to start with the spatula upside down and then go under it and then scoop up. Okay, now we're gonna make our pumpkin pie egg cream. That's a lot to say. In the bowl, start off with sweetened condensed milk, the OG longevity brand sweetened condensed milk, and then we separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. Toss those in, and then we mix them up until they are nice and fluffy. Beautiful consistency, just like this. At this point, we toss in all of our spices, as you see here, followed by our canned pumpkin, and then we mix it up until thick. And now we have our beautiful pumpkin pie egg cream. We stack our pancakes, drizzle the pumpkin egg cream on top, and there you go. You could put this pumpkin egg cream on pretty much anything. Pancakes, a shoe, a cake, a taco, whatever you want. That sounds weird, don't do the last one. And you could put this pumpkin egg cream on a coffee as well.